Can't believe it, dude. I've been looking for you for literally like years, man.
Oh, it feels good to be back in here, man. It's been a few weeks since we've actually done anything cool. So today I thought I'd try something that you can actually try at home with the kids. If you remember, a few weeks back we made a density bottle that's these things are cool, very cool. Today we're gonna step it up a notch and turn this into a lava lamp. So first thing we need to do is transfer this into, yeah. Alright, it's finally separated again, and we're ready to try this out. I'm going to start by using a small piece. We're just testing, you know, just a small scale test. Let's see what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Alright, not bad, not bad. Yikes. It's kinda weird. We'll give that a minute to separate, but in the meantime, we're gonna make it look epic. Oh yeah. Now we'll see if we can make this look amazing. Oh yeah. So not gonna lie, that was pretty awesome, and I think the LED lights actually set it off. I mean, that's what took it to the next level, peeps. But a very simple and fun project you can do at home. You just need water and food coloring and vegetable oil and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. That's it. It's pretty simple, and putting it together, you can actually make it look pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button down there. Don't forget to subscribe. I do crazy science videos every week, some that you can try at home, and some that you probably shouldn't. Yeah, we do some sketchy things around here too. Anyway, also hit that little notification bell down there so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And aside from that, I'll catch you guys next time.